I'm so excited to be here, to be waiting for you, and I can't wait to see you, and I know you're gonna look beautiful, babe. Can't wait to marry you.
Their home has always felt like a home away from home. I consider them both family. They just seem to complement each other in the most perfect way. She brings Sam back down to earth while he reminds her that life doesn't always have to be so serious.
Beautiful wife, your kid who obviously was here. It's a fantastic life. So the only advice I'd give for both of you, maybe have one more kid, not two. But that's it.
Love is perhaps the greatest gift that is given us. It is our inherent nature and our sole true purpose in life, to love one another.
Once in a while, in the middle of an otherwise ordinary life, love bestows upon us a fairy tale romance that is true and pure. I have never seen another couple as in love as these two people right here. Love is not always perfect, but when the right people are together, they will always fight to make it work. Nothing in the world can tear them apart.
How do I explain this world? The words but never felt their way as a chorus.
I now pronounce you as husband and wife.
The kiss is the messenger of the heart and soul. Sam, you may now kiss your wife.
Wait, don't stop first. Stop first, then kiss. Mazel tov!
Feels just so far